Are you an English language learner? Do you have so many grammar books? You probably have like 5 or 6 language learning apps, probably following like 150 million social media teacher. And on the top of all of that, you can't speak English. Hello again, my friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about 4 things to avoid when you are learning English. And I will be telling you about these things while ordering my bulletin board. I have showed you this board before and how to organize it for time management, but today I decided to organize it just for fun, just to have a nice background behind me. Let's do it. The first thing that you have to avoid is to surround yourself with so many grammar books. Okay, I understand and I know really well that grammar and learning a language is very important. But it's not the most important thing, because you need to put things in practice. You cannot just learn the theory of something, like what we do in school is just learn, have so much input, know the theory of the thing, but we don't put it in practice. It's literally like I tell you, go learn about this exercise and memorize how you should do it, but you don't perform it in front of me. So what you have to do is you have to divide your learning into what we call 80%, 20% rule. 80% of practice, 20% of grammar. Okay, the second thing that you should avoid is to have so many language apps on your phone. If you have so many language apps on your phone, chances are you're not going to use half of them, or if not all of them at all. So what's the solution in this situation? Well, the solution is to try out all those language apps that you have and get rid of the ones that are not good for you or they don't motivate you to learn. Just delete them from your phone. Try those 5, 6 apps. See the one that is going to make you want to do a lesson every single day and just use it. Okay. I created a video about language apps if you'd like to check it out somewhere at the top. Maybe you will find it useful. So I ordered my birthday cards. These are from my friend, and you can see I put them in order: 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. I hope I didn't forget anything. But let's talk about the third thing you should avoid. So the third thing you should avoid is to follow so many language teachers online. Why is this bad for you? It's bad because it's going to make you feel like there is a lot that you have to learn. There are so many new words, so many new sentence structures, so many expressions, and I have to learn all of them. And like that, you are distracting yourself and you're also confusing yourself. And you're just going to feel very frustrated and you're going to say, I don't want to learn anymore. So what should you do in this situation? Just follow 1, 2 teachers, maximum 3 teachers, and the ones that you feel like are the simplest for you, the ones that you understand the most from. Okay, my drawing, the one that you have seen in one of my drawing vlogs. Yes. Okay, now what is the 4th thing that you should avoid or you probably don't do, which is speaking English. You still don't speak English. You spend so much time memorizing the words, memorizing new expressions, but until now, you didn't put it in practice. So what should you do? You should speak. You have so many ways to speak these days, and you cannot say, I don't have anyone to speak with, because you do have AI, you do have videos, you do have ChatGPT. You have a lot of things where you can just practice your English. So whatever you learn, just open your video and start talking about it. And this is me as a little child telling you, you have to do it. Yes, me eating the soil. And this is little me as well. See, little me is telling you, go practice. Open your camera now and start talking. And if you still feel like you don't want to speak in front of the camera, you can find an exchange partner. Just go to those conversation exchange websites and try to find someone who wants to learn your own language, and try to have like 30 minutes of you speaking English and 30 minutes of them speaking your own language. This is a really, really nice method, and it will enhance your English really well. Last thing, my favorite frame. We're gonna place it here, but I need a thumb stack. Here we go. And it's all good. It's covering my drawing. Okay. Well, I am not the best with these things, to be honest. I don't do them perfectly well, but here we go. That's what I can do. That's it, you guys. I am done with the tips and the things that actually you should avoid, or the things that you should start doing. And I'm done with my board. Tell me in the comments if you like it, or if I should do it any differently, or if it's just all over the place. Yeah, all over the place, it means like very messy, not organized. And yeah, okay, that's it, you guys, for this video. I hope you find it useful, and tell me in the comments if there is anything else you'd like me to talk about. And see you in another video. Goodbye.